Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Canva tips and tutorials. Today, we're diving into adding text effects in Canva to make your designs pop. Let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account and open a new design. We'll start with a blank canvas to show you how to create and apply text effects. Text effects can really make your design stand out and grab attention. Let's explore some of Canva's powerful text effects. Adding text to the canvas. Start by adding text to your canvas. Click on the Text tab, then add a heading, and type in your text. Selecting and applying text effects. With your text selected, click on Effects in the top menu. This is where you'll find all the text effects options Canva offers. First up is the shadow effect. Select Shadow, and you can adjust the offset, direction, blur, and color to create a custom shadow that adds depth to your text. Next, let's try the lift effect. This effect gives your text a subtle, raised look, making it stand out from the background. It's perfect for a clean and simple enhancement. Now, let's check out the hollow effect. This effect outlines your text, giving it a hollow appearance. You can adjust the thickness of the outline to match your design. Hollow text can be great for creating a modern and stylish look. Next is the neon effect. This adds a glowing neon light to your text, perfect for eye-catching designs. You can change the glow color and intensity to suit your style. Lastly, let's look at the glitch effect. This gives your text a cool, distorted look, like it's glitching on a screen. You can adjust the colors and intensity for a custom glitch effect. Let's try more effects. Using these effects creatively can help you design standout visuals. Here's an example of a design using these text effects. As you can see, the text really pops and adds a lot of character to the design. And that's it. With these text effects, you can easily make your designs more dynamic and engaging using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.